Hey, automotive enthusiasts, ever heard of the term Italian tune-up? No, it's not the way Italians make pasta, but a unique method to care for your car. So, what exactly is an Italian tune-up? Imagine your car like an athlete that hasn't worked out in a while. An Italian tune-up is like taking your car to the gym. We're going to push it a bit to clean the engine from the inside. But wait. Before you floor the pedal, let's first talk about what an Italian tune-up really is. Italian tune-up, a simple definition. An Italian tune-up is a driving technique where you push the car to high speeds and high RPMs for a short period. The goal? To clean out the engine from built-up carbon and gunk. It's like giving your car's engine a detox. Apparently, this method originated with Ferrari mechanics in Italy who like to test cars this way. That's why it's called the Italian tune-up. Pretty cool, right? Benefits versus controversy. Now, here's the fun part. Italian tune-ups have both fans and critics. The supporters say it cleans carbon deposits from the engine, it improves the car's performance, it prevents issues with valves and spark plugs. But there are some who disagree. It can damage the engine if done too often, it wastes fuel, it's dangerous if done on public roads. So, like eating durian, it's great, but don't overdo it. How to perform an Italian tune-up. How do you actually do an Italian tune-up? It's pretty simple. Make sure your car is properly warmed up. Find a safe and empty road. Remember, safety first. Push the car to high RPMs, but don't hit the red line. Hold it for 30 seconds to a minute. Repeat 2 to 3 times. But remember, this isn't an invitation for illegal street racing. Do it wisely and safely.